Hello friends, my name is PRABHDEEP Singh. Ethereal Tute is organizing free IELTS workshop on this Holi and it will run from 21st March to 30th March. We request you to come and join this free IELTS program in which you can find the solutions of your problems. You can contact us on our number 89687599416. Also, you can email us at contact@etherealtute.com. If you belong to a city Nawashehar, then you can visit our office, which is 2nd floor, Ethereal Tute, Green Tower, opposite bus stand, Nawashehar. Share it with your friends as much as you can. You can follow our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the notification at the earliest. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.